I don't know how you can see me and the craft, so this is what we're doing. Hey guys! Oh my god, guys. I hit 10 subscribers on my channel. Oh my god, I have no words. I'm just so internally grateful for all of you and for supporting me and this channel. I never thought that I'd have 10 subscribers. That's crazy. So in order of that, this is why I only have 10 subscribers. In honor of that, I am going to be making my very own cardboard play button. You know, the play buttons YouTube sends you when you get like 1 million subscribers. Well, this is the same thing, but made out of cardboard with 10. So let's just jump right into it. So I have these 2 boxes. This one I think is going to be like the case, and the other one is going to be the play button. So, not the case, the frame. I'm just gonna start by cutting these off. But these are still a little too long for a picture frame. So now, I'm gonna make it a little shorter. You gotta be careful. If you guys are trying this at home, make sure to have parental supervision. I'm 19, so I don't need parental supervision. Oh my god, that was so easy. I'm so talented. I should do this for a living. Baby. Oh, my hand hurts. I have a pounding headache. This is too low. Fuck. Okay. So it looks like this. Not my best cutting job. But this was really hard to cut, so I think it's a pretty decent, if I do say so myself. So next is the hard part. I'm gonna trace the play button out because I'm nervous because it's like, it has to be good. It has to be able to fit in here this way. I'm gonna do it here. I cut this off. I hope my address isn't on any of this cardboard. I don't notice it in editing and I post it like that. That'd be so funny for me. Okay. I'm not like in this video. I'm making it square, and then I'm just going to trim the edges to be, rip this bit. Okay. So it's easier to cut, and then I'm going to round it all out. Alright, so that looks like. Guys, it's like perfect. Okay, now I have to do the play button part. The play button is like indented into it. I was looking at pictures. So I'm gonna take a knife. I'll be back. I need to get a knife.
Got a blast!
I'm back with a knife. So now, I'm just gonna lightly carve a play button. I'm really nervous I'm gonna cut myself. That'd be good clickbait, am I right? So I don't want it to go too far down that like it literally carves it out of the cardboard. It just needs to go a little more down than it is. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, guys. I'm so excited. This is really good. Okay, I did it. Freaking do this. Maybe one in the mid, just to make it even. Even Stevens. Beans from Even Stevens. I love beans from Even Stevens.
Beans, what are you doing with the metal detector?
Looking for buried treasure. See? A bottle cap! This baby's paying for itself.
Where's he now? I miss him. If you're, hey, Beans from Even Stevens, if you're watching this, please come to my birthday party. Because, gotta look profesh. Am I right, lady? Am I right, ladies? Okay, this is so good. Now,
Got a blast!
take a freaking Sharpie. Okay. Almost done.
Got a blast!
Since the actual YouTube play button is like a picture frame, so this would be like have glass over it, I wanted something in front of it, but I made this out of cardboard, and so I'm not putting glass on it. So I was gonna put like cling wrap, but our only cling wrap is blue. So I'm gonna take the Ziploc bag and DIY it. Oh my god, more DIY. I shall find a tree all covered in mangoes, juicy mangoes, fat and well fed. Remember once on a silent stands at. It's gone. I wonder if my parents are gonna walk in on this. I think that's them. So I'll finish this in silence. Oh, hello. Hi. Here we go. This is the final product. I don't know if you can see what it says. It says youtube.com/LauraKlinger, 10 subscribers. I can't wait to put this on my wall. I'm just gonna go hang it up. I don't know where to put it in my room. My room's very messy. Oh, here. I'll put it right here. All my trophies. Ta-da! So proud. This is such a monumental moment in my life. Just so happy. So, this is a big joke. I actually know that like 10 subscribers is actually nothing and means 0 things, especially when all of the subscribers are my friends and the 10th subscriber was my mom. And I know this because I told her to subscribe to me. But, you know, I'm just out here having fun. So, who cares if I have 10 subscribers or 100 subscribers? I'm just out here living my life and shit. And I only have 2 videos, so lots more content coming, all over the place. Some like fashion videos. This outfit might look familiar later in the week. A mukbang mukbang. And that's just the content I've filmed so far over break. Like, I have a lot of other exciting stuff planned. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, love you guys.